Next, we'll see class selectors, ID selectors, and universal selectors. So here, this is our basic HTML code, and here within body section, I'm giving heading tag. This is H1 heading. This is our paragraph tag. Inside it, I'm giving Lauren multiplied by 5. Again, after this, I'm giving heading H2 tag, and after this is our second paragraph tag, Lauren multiplied by 5. Save it, and it is looking like this on our browser. Now we have to give class selector, so for that we will go to head section, and here we'll give style tag, and within style tag, now class selector always starts with a dot. Here I'm creating a class whose name is 1, and here I'm saying color of text should be red, and background color should be aqua. Save it. Now this means that every tag to which I will give this class 1 will acquire this formatting. For example, here to h1 tag I'm giving this class h1 class equals to 1. So all the formatting which I have applied in class 1 will be applied to h1, not to this p, h2 and this second p. So here it has got this formatting. Now I want to apply same formatting to this h2. So I have to give here to this h2 class equals to 1. Save. Now h2 has applied this formatting. Now I want to give it to this paragraph, not to this paragraph. So here I can say p class equals to 1. Save. Now that paragraph has acquired this formatting. Now here I'm removing this. Save it, and it is looking like this. So formatting is gone. Now I don't want to use it like this. Here I have given dot 1. If I put here p, that means only that paragraph to which I will give class 1 will acquire that formatting, not any other class. For example, here I have given this class 1 to h1, so it will not work with this h1 now because I have put p here. It will only work with p class paragraph, it will only work with paragraph, and only that paragraph to which I will assign this class 1. So this formatting is gone. Now I'm removing this class 1 from here, and I'm giving it to this paragraph equals to 1. So that formatting will be applied to this first paragraph, not to the second paragraph of h2. So it has got this formatting. Now I want to apply with on this also. So I can say p is already there. It will work only for paragraph. Class equals to 1. Now that second paragraph is also same. But here we can see that h2 class equals to 1. So it is not going to work with h2 because here we have put p. Basically we are saying that it will work with this class works with only p, to which we'll assign this class 1. So this was class selector. Next is ID selector. So this is our basic HTML, and here I'm doing same thing. h1, this is heading 1, paragraph, lorem multiplied by 2, next again I'm giving h2, heading 2, and again here I'm giving p, lorem multiplied by 2. So it is looking like this on our browser. Now we are going for ID selector. So ID is something which is unique. We cannot assign same ID to different elements. So here within head section I'm giving style, And here I'm putting ID. For ID we have to give hash, then we have to give any name. Here I'm giving P. This is ID now. Now here I'm saying color should be red and the background color should be aqua. Save. Now we cannot assign this ID to multiple elements, multiple tags, like here h1. To h1 I'm assigning this ID, to p this I'm assigning this ID. That is not possible. ID should be given to only one ID should be given to only one tag, one element only. So here I'm giving it to h1, and for ID selector we use to give ID we use ID. For class we give class, and for ID we give ID equals to, here the name of ID is p. Save. It has got this formatting. Third one is universal selector. So here I'm copying this only. Save it, and right now our page is this. Now we are going for universal selector. Universal selector is also given within style tag in head section. For that we have to give asterisk. So this is universal selector. Formatting which we give inside will be applied to all the elements of the page, all the whole page. So here I'm giving color to be red, and the background color should be aqua, and here I'm giving border also 1 pixel solid black. Save it. So this formatting will be applied to whole page. Here h1 will be getting same h2, sorry, h1 will be getting same, then p, then h2, and then second p. Here we can say that it has got a weird formatting. So what we can do here is, here I'm removing this border, and here we can give font size, and here I'm giving larger. So that this is universal selector, and its formatting is applied to all the page elements.